it's gonna work for you. It's super cool. So let's get right into the tutorial.
Hey guys, so today we'll get a Goddess of Victory NIKKE mod. So as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems. So let's turn that on and let's see if our gems go up on Goddess of Victory NIKKE, guys. So hopefully it does start to increase. So let's see if it works. So hopefully we see an increase on the Goddess of Victory NIKKE, and bang guys, there's no increase. I'm so sad. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version for your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do, bro, is go to the browser, type tweakmod.com, and then in the search bar just type Goddess of Victory, and there it is. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. You just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, honestly. But yeah, that's a Goddess of Victory NIKKE mod to make you rich. So let's see if it works, guys. So yeah, this is super cool. So yeah, so let's see what happens. So yeah, it should load up right now. So we're gonna see if we do see some results. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download like 2 of these apps. You can see like Family Island says reach level 10. Then we have Underdog Fantasy, which is down run for 30. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're gonna be all set. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how to get Goddess of Victory NIKKE hack for your device. Super cool, guys. Fully works, so you can be rich and enjoy Goddess of Victory NIKKE, all that is to be offered in the game. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel if you play Goddess of Victory NIKKE, guys. I mean, this is super cool. I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, peace out, bro. This is wild.